if you start your process, or, if you're thinking about building a home or renovating, how should you start, or what should you do? Is it, I mean, obviously you have to think about, what you want, or, is it thinking about that first, or talking with your bank, or, what would you give as a bit of a step-by-step guide almost to, how do you start the process?
Well, I think in terms of before you contact anyone, I think knowing your numbers in terms of what you can borrow or what you want to borrow. So I think, they're two different things. The bank might give you a certain amount, but it doesn't mean it's going to be very comfortable to pay it back. Yeah. I think it's knowing what you can borrow, and then knowing what you can comfortably enough pay back, even factor in some of the interest rate rises as well. So look up some articles to see where people think the interest rates are going, and just make sure that that's a comfortable number for you to sit with. And then beyond that, I think it's building the inspiration, know what you want. So collect the images. So, I think I mentioned the images before, but collect them all, collect everything that inspires you, and then just filter them later so that we can get really clear about what you want. And then I guess it's finding the right designer. So some people are lucky and can find their designer easily. And if you can't find a designer, you should come to me so I can help.
Exactly.